So these are the streets of El Nido. If you're not careful, you'll get hit by something. So.
Oh, they didn't know, young brother from the east. So I wouldn't please, let me give you what you need. Listen to your heart, don't you listen to your demons. Leaving behind, I've been trying to live my dream. I've been having nightmares in the nighttime. My baby really looking like she might die. Red wine sipping, give me fine wine.
Hey fire starters, we are here again in the Philippines.
Alright, we're doing Tour B today. And this has Snake Island. And we got half the same crew as yesterday. New friends from Poland. Old friends from Manila.
So, why don't you come with us? Let's go. You can have it.
That's why you fumble when you walk. Yeah. If you want me to tease your patience, I'll make it worth your while.
Alright, we're trying to get to the boat through all this traffic.
Oh, sure. I really hope this waterproof thing
Are you good?
stays waterproof.
You're a swimmer, huh? You're an Olympic swimmer.
She can take us all.
She could pull us.
Oh no, I can't save anyone. Just myself.
Why?
Take me with you. You can pull all of us. Here in the Philippines with this beautiful woman.
Hello.
Her name's Sara, and she is.
I've become the jungle now.
And she is now a jungle woman.
Thank God it's a brand new day, I should love it. Cause I ain't never found no love like this. In the morning, gotta thank God it's a brand new day, I should love it. Cause I ain't never found no love like this. I don't wanna wait, I don't wanna wait. Waste no time, I be on the way. I don't wanna wait, I don't wanna wait. Waste no time, so bring it on in. I don't wanna wait, I don't wanna wait. Waste no time. I be on the way. I don't wanna wait. I don't wanna wait. Wait no time. So bring it on in.
Hey fire starters! Today is really awesome. Lots of great scenery, but we also met another YouTuber that we actually kind of knew already from our group. Here it is. Hey, what's up everyone? It's Kevin from Wandering Wagars at
WanderingWagars.com.
check it out, all right? That is too cute to not check out, all right? All right. I'm good, thank you. All right, so one thing I didn't mention that happened earlier is my foot got bit by some bugs, and then it's a little bit infected, so I need to get some medicine. So that's what we're doing.
It's our last day here in El Nido, and we're not doing a tour today. Just kind of hanging around town, getting ready to leave early tomorrow morning on the boat to Coron. So this town is totally dead during the day. So everybody's out on a tour, either a boat tour at the Nakpan beach or somewhere else on the island. So we were able to have lunch. It's really pretty empty, good place, and So yeah, let's go check it out.
Alright, so this is our last day here in El Nido. We're just gonna chill, relax, get a couple shots, and motorcycle. Just relax really, because we're getting up super early tomorrow to catch the boat to Coron. So.
Ready? Spark a heart, change a life.
Change life.
Yes, that's right. Ready? One. Everybody. 1, 2, 3.
Spark a heart, change life.
Spark a heart, change a life. Almost. One more time.
Spark a
One more
heart.
time. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Spark a heart, change a life.
Small.
So this is our last night in El Nido. We decided to go back to our favorite restaurant. I love it, probably the best of all the restaurants here in El Nido. And so we came back. Alright everyone, I want you to meet the owner of this amazing Thai place. So we're going to have him talk for 4 hours straight, just about his life. Go. Just kidding. So he owns this place and it's really, really awesome. If you're ever in El Nido, you want to check this out. This is the first place to stop to eat. Alright, so make sure to check it out. Alright. Bye.
Salamat, salamat, salamat. I'ma say thank you when I get the comments. I'ma say thank you, get back to my mama. They gonna say thank you when I bring the dollars. I said salamat, salamat, salamat. I'ma say thank you when I get the comments. I'ma say thank you, get back to my mama. They gonna say thank you when I bring the dollars. I said salamat, salamat, salamat. I'ma say thank you to all of my lolas. Up in the kitchen just cooking tinola. I'm eating so good, they raising a soldier. I said salamat, salamat, salamat. It's gonna be crazy when I try the numbers. It's gonna be crazy when I bring the hundreds of winners. So imminent, I feel the comments. They calling me Tata, Teo. Cause I am a daddy, you already knock. A milli rock up on my block.